Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing OneHash CRM, a tool that claims to boost your sales and improve efficiency with a fully featured all-in-one CRM. OneHash CRM is an all-in-one agile platform that helps you streamline and automate process to improve communication and increase revenue. It's an alternative to Salesforce and Zendesk. As I saw, OneHash it's a tool with to centralize all your customer communication in only one dashboard. Will be OneHash with a lot of integration and a CRM built in. I'm going to show you how it works and how you can improve customer communication with it. You will gonna get the pro plan of all the features: drip campaigns, multi-language support, leaderboards, list, campaign, get, tree, and calendar views, etc. If you get one single code, you get 10 users and 500 emails per month. If you get more codes, you get more users. But remember, you need to get at least the multiple one, the 3 codes, to get white labeling. And if you got 5 codes, you are gonna get the 1 hour support and onboarding session. Let's take a look at the tool and you're gonna see how it works. As you can see here on the left, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different tabs. And that first tab, as you can see here, you can create your inboxes with the many integrations OneHash has. You just need to click here, and then you're going to prompt to a new screen where you can select your channel. So you can integrate your website with a live chat widget using OneChat. You can integrate with Messenger, Twitter, WhatsApp, Telegram, API, email, SMS, Line. So if you receive an email, you can answer it, reply it in one chat. So for instance, if you want to integrate your WhatsApp, you will need a Twilio API and then add inbox name, phone number, account, and also token. So you will need the Twilio integration. If you want to select your website, you can add here your website name, the domain, you can change the widget color, your welcome heading, welcome timeline, enable chat greeting. So I'm going to add here my domain so you can see how you can configure it. Here you can add your agents, the one that will have access to your live chat. And then you're going to add your live chat with just pasting the script on the header of your website. So it's pretty easy to integrate. If you want to integrate with Twitter, I think Twitter is still on the roadmap. So let's say you want to integrate with your Messenger. You just need to connect with Facebook. And after you connect with Facebook, you select the page you want to use OneChat, select the agents, and then it's ready. You can use OneChat. You can see here on the left. Every time you receive a message on your page, you can reply everything using OneChat. So the first feature of OneChat is to centralize all your customer communication under one app. So you will not need to log in on Twitter, WhatsApp, Telegram, email, SMS. No, you're gonna only use OneChat and you'll receive all the message here, and you can select the agents responsible to each user. And here is their CRM. You can divide the contacts by labels. So for instance, work, and you see the label will show up here on the left. An event personal. We're going to select which will be the list by tags. Okay. And to add a new contact, just click here on new contact. You can add the name of the person, their email, you can add their phone number, company name, and also their social media profiles. Submit and it's done. As you can see here, you have a new person on your email, on your CRM. And here on contact labels, you can select the label or which list they will be tagged in. So pretty simple. So work. Now it's tagged to the work. Every time you click here, you see that contact. So you can see that the user interface is pretty simple and it's pretty easy to learn how to use OneHash. You have an analytics of your customer conversation. So the number of income message, outgoing message, first response time, resolution time, okay, with CS report. So you can, track your satisfaction score. You're gonna see which agent will work better. And you can also get analytics by label and also analytics by team. OneHash has a campaign feature as well. To create an ongoing campaign, just click here. So on those campaigns, you will proactive send message. So you will be active. You send message to the customer, to your contact, which will trigger more conversation. So you create a campaign to drive more sales, for instance, and those campaigns can be sent by a bot or by your agent. So, and here on settings, you can add new agents. An agent is a member of your customer support team. You can create teams. So team lets you organize your agents into groups based on their responsibilities. Okay. The inbox. So it's where you can, add new websites, new messengers, Facebook page, your new WhatsApps, etc. On labels, you can create, more lists, you will use the labels to divide your contacts by them. So labels help you to categorize conversations and prioritize them. You can assign label to your conversation from the side panel. The tool has also features for personalization as custom attributes and automations. The automation can replace and automate existing processes that require manual effort. So you can do many things with automation, including adding labels and assigning conversation to the best agent. I'm gonna show you how you add an automation rule. You will need to add the rule name, description, and the event. So what will start the creation of a new rule. For instance, when a conversation is created, and let's say country is equal to Belgium, so add a label Belgium, okay? Add a label on work. So in that way, every time, so you create a label called Belgium because you have some Belgian clients. So every time you receive a conversation is created that is related to Belgium, to a Belgian customer, they will automatically, the automation rule will let you automatically add a label, Belgian label or work label or any label you want. So in that way, like, up here, you're going to automate some of your workflow. You can also build canned response. Canned response are saved reply templates which can be used to quickly send out a reply to your conversation. So let's say every time you say bye, thank you so much, please let me know if I can help you more. Best regards, Igor. So every time you like bye, the tool will add automatically that content. Submit, and it's done. You created a new canned response. So you can create many canned response with email template just to help you to reply your customer message. And as integrations, by now they have Slack and webhooks. You can also build chatbots using Dialogflow and connect them to your inbox quickly. So Dialogflow will apply AI to make your bot smarter. So they have that application integration as well. You can change your account names. About site language, they have those. So I can see here Spanish, I can see here Italian, Netherlands, Portuguese, Romanian. So those are the language. The tool by now is multi-language. This is what OneHash. In summary, you can use it to centralize your customer conversation, use as a CRM, create campaigns to send active message to your lists. And also you can do it with integrations, custom attributes, automation, canned response. So it's a whole tool for customer assistant and centralized conversation. I hope you like that review. If you like, click on the link below so you can know more about OneChat. Thanks so much. Bye bye.